More than a quarter of all homes in this country are underwater. 12 million homes where the owners owe more than the property is worth. For some of those homeowners, a loan modification might be the way out. But Jim Axelrod warns us, be on the lookout for scams.
When the bad economy cut into New York City bus driver Stuart Ransom's overtime, he lost 30% of his income and worried he might lose the family home.
I can't make the payment. I'm thinking to myself, I could make the payment, but what about the electric? What about the gas? What about food?
Like another 1.5 million Americans, Ransom found himself in foreclosure and called his bank to seek a loan modification.
The bank was being very obstinate. They were dragging their feet. They kept passing it off to another person.
So after striking out with his bank, Ransom decided to pay a lawyer $3,000 up front for help seeking a mortgage modification. But when he checked in with his lender a few months later, Stuart Ransom got a nasty surprise.
And what was he doing to get you a modification?
Apparently nothing.
Is that the worst part of this for you?
The bank wasn't helping me. And instead of going to someone who could help me, I walked into the lion's den.
Yesterday there were 4,000 calls and 600 counselors.
Colleen Hernandez runs the Hope Hotline, a national not-for-profit service that shepherds distressed homeowners by reaching out to their banks free of charge.
Were you calling today to report or discuss a potential loan modification scam?
In the last 2 years, Hope Hotline counselors have collected more than 13,000 reports about alleged mortgage modification scams.
There seems to be almost a shadowy industry that has popped up that preys on people in this difficult situation.
That's exactly right. And they know exactly how to market to people. They prey on people's confusion, on their shame.
So they told you that you were already approved.
So what should people look for?
Red flag, avoid guarantees. As much as you would like to have a guarantee, no legitimate person is going to make a guarantee. The second is, do they want money for this? Because there are hundreds, if not thousands, of nonprofits all over the country that do offer this service for free.
Ransom is now suing his former lawyer to get his money back. He later found out on his own that the government and his bank would work with him to keep him in his home.
I wish that I had known earlier.
A $3,000 lesson he's hoping others won't have to learn. Jim Axelrod, CBS News, Staten Island, New York.